welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the makeup eraser. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts on this and see a little demo, then keep watching. So I bought the makeup eraser from the makeup eraser website. I think you can buy them from Sephora as well. I just bought it from there. I actually purchased this only because I got this email from this blog called Get It Free, I think that's what it's called, and the makeup eraser was doing a deal, so I clicked on it, tried to do the deal, and I actually did get a free sample from them. And because I gave them my email, I was getting all these like promo things, and the makeup eraser was doing this deal where you can get it for like 10 bucks. So I was like, all right, $10 instead of like 25, perfect, sounds great. So that's why I purchased it. This is what the package looks like. I thought it was really cute because it looks like an eraser. So I literally saved it for you guys for that purpose. So this just contains one cloth and it's good for up to 1,000 washes. I don't know how true that is. I can't even tell you when I started using this, to be completely honest. Probably sometime at the end of April, beginning of May. So I don't even know how many washes that is so far. Probably like 40 if I had to round it up. The back just has a QR code that you can scan to see how it works, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You just have to wet the cloth really, really good. Then you just erase your makeup with one side and exfoliate with the other. So it's pretty easy to use. So this is what the cloth looks like. If mine looks weird, this side is really damp still from when I used it last night. So this side right here it's really soft on both sides, but this side is the side that you use to remove all your makeup. You can probably see right here where there's like a makeup stand. So this side you use, and you just use circular motions to remove the makeup. And once you are satisfied, I guess, with your makeup removal, you flip it over to this side with the tag, and this is like the exfoliate side, and this just gives your face that extra little scrub. So when I first got it, I was a little skeptical because I was like, all right, how is one cloth going to remove all my makeup? I just always used, you know, baby wipes or makeup remover wipes, baby oil and cleansers and all this stuff to remove my makeup. But this little guy works. It works. It gets all your makeup off. The one thing I do notice though, sometimes if I have a lot of mascara on, or even if I do like a wing eyeliner or something, that needs a little extra push. I normally use like baby oil or something like that just to give it that extra little scrub, because I don't want to scrub my eyes really hard with this thing, because that one helps like progress your wrinkles, and two, I just want to be gentle around my eyes. So that's just one thing I've noticed with this, but other than that, it pretty much gets all your face makeup off. If you do use this or you're interested in getting it, I recommend using this, get all your makeup off, and then use a good cleanser and make sure you're exfoliating also, just to get the extra leftovers that are in your pores, because there's always that extra little bit in there. Another thing I noticed when I first started using it, I did break out a little bit, and I wasn't sure if it was because I was, you know, rubbing extra on my skin, because you kind of do have to push down a little bit on your face to get it all off. I wasn't sure if it was because it wasn't getting my makeup off all the way. I'm not sure 100%. My breakouts have gone down a little bit. They're still sporadic as per usual, but other than that, like, I just broke out a tiny little bit. It was like one pimple right here, which is my usual huge breakout spot when I try something new. So next, I'm just going to show you guys a little demo on how I use this, because I'm sure some of you might be curious if you've never seen one of these used before.
Makeup eraser looks like dry, so I'm just wetting it really, really good, and I squeezed it out before using it, obviously, so it didn't drip all over the place. So now I'm just using the super soft side to remove all my makeup, and guys, it's crazy. Like, look at all of that makeup being removed from my face, and I'm just using this cloth and water. It's insane. Absolutely insane. And it literally takes like 5 minutes to just remove this all. That's why I love this. So now I'm just using the exfoliating side to just remove any of the excess gunk that might be on my face. I also remove the makeup from my neck, because you can't forget your neck. And this literally takes like 2 minutes, and then I'm done.
main reasons that I did really want to get this was to see if I could save money on not buying makeup remover wipes, because those do get expensive. I do buy just Walmart brand, but it adds up in my opinion, and I really think I've gotten my money's worth out of this so far, and I've only had it for about a month and a half, so I do recommend it. It is a little pricey, I know, but if you sign up on Makeup Eraser's website for their emails, you can pay attention to deals because there's constantly sales going on their website. Like I said, I got this for $10 instead of $25. They were doing like a, I don't even remember what the deal was, but that was that deal. They are also at Sephora, I'm pretty sure, so you can wait till the VIB sale. And there's also a lot of dupes out there, so you can try the dupes. I'm sure they're much cheaper. Actually, they are much cheaper because I saw on a BuzzFeed article, there's Amazon ones that are $5. So I might try those out once this gets just old and gross. And that is it for my review on the makeup eraser. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.